Hello guys, my name is Wang. Today I will share with you our video of our little farm. So this is it. We have requested already somebody to cut down grasses since our grass in this type of soil is really the hard type, or what we call the kumpay. It climbs and grows easily, and it is usually ate by the carabaos or goats. So before we put on our herbicide, we need to cut off the heavy or too massive grasses first, and my task is to plant these little lemon seedlings where it's propagated with market and graft. I was in a full gear due to the scorching heat of the sun, which is normal here in the Philippines, and I found it so enjoyable. I have documented the planting, and then I am to document its growth. Also, the little one, I can finally harvest them. We also need to tumble all the weeds that were already cut, to dry it easily and burn it so it can't grow back. Usually, some unnecessary plants compete our crops to yield and to the growth due to the soil nutrients. Of course, I need to put a little force in pushing the soil so it will be intact to the roots, and so that it can prevent the lemon from its growth, and of course to make it straight on its growth. There you go. And of course there are still areas that we need to plant here. So what do you think, guys, are the things or the plants that we can put in here? So what do you recommend to plant in here, guys? See you in the comment section. Thank you.